accompanied by Simon Page, weighing in at 400 pounds, Blackwell.
The other crazy one, yeah. I'd rather sit with
And his opponent, here come on Blacktop. Whoa. Apparently reading is not your strong suit. This is not your segment. This is my segment. Everybody knows I opened the show. Hit the skids, guys. This is my turn. You don't know what's happening. This is my segment. It clearly says these two can't read. That's what's going on here. Don't worry about it. I got this. Tonight, you guys are going to see the end of John Campbell in this ring. I am going to come out here. Lady, don't even start on me. You know, sir, the sir right there in the leather jacket. Yeah, you.
You're just a puppet.
I am far from a puppet. You are typical Flint, Michigan. Big brother here.
He's your puppet master.
I'm pretty sure his birth certificate came with an apology letter from the condom company. This is horrible. What are you still doing here? I'm trying to talk. This is what happens when you drink the water in Flint, Michigan, people. Don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, look. I appreciate what you're trying to do, man, but you got a match, dude. We got a match. We got a title match. I understand you had the match, but this is my segment. You know, we're all right. We're cool, right? We've helped each other out, and, you know, I appreciate it, but interrupting me is not a real strong career move, Simon Page. You come out here in your little pink get-up and pink wristbands and pink bra and whatever else pink you got on. I don't even want to know. You know, I respect you, I do. I know where you come from. But let's stop right now, Simon Page. Let's stop with this whole I'm going to be a wrestler thing. I think it's cool that you have dreams of becoming a wrestler and overcoming your disability, and I respect that. I really do. It's cute. You have dreams of being a wrestler. Who doesn't? He's got dreams of being a wrestler. I can see it right now. All these little kids have dreams of being a wrestler. I had dreams of being a baseball player, but I'm not in center field, am I? For God's sake, Simon Page, you can barely roll into the ring. What makes you think you can have a match? You know, a lot of people in that locker room, Simon Page, have worked their butts off for years. And you're going to show up with your handicap sticker and say, hey, I want a match? No, No, it doesn't work that way. So you and that thing over there hit the skids. Simon, you have a fan. They came here to support you in your pinkness. You know what's cool? You got that little saying before you come out. It's like, Simon says, and then he does what you say. I get it, man. It's totally cool.
Awesome.
But you know what? I got too. It goes like this. It goes, PF says, you're a waffle twat. So, basically, what's going to happen now is you're going to hop out of my ring and hop back onto the Jerry Lewis Peloton where you came from.
I'll break you in half. There's a Burger King right across the street, big boy.
You can have it your way there.
To be a joker, he just wants peace.
And his opponent, Star Leonardson.
Car D A.
On the other side of the tracks, weighing in at 260 pounds, he is your NWO Great Lakes Champion, the King Caddy, Ricky Carney!
Cooler than the other side of the pillow, Jack. The measuring stick. Car D A.
Oh, man. It was so funny. It was so funny.
So this is what the Renegade Power Regime's all about, huh? Attacking people when they can't defend themselves? Guess what? I can defend myself. Come on. What do you got? Come on. Well, what do you think about that, Flint, Michigan? Tell them what you think. Blackwell, Simon Page, Flint, Michigan. Let's make some noise.